one of our best sellers in London. Just 20 minutes train journey from central London, the stylish Flexistay Norbury ApartHotel offers free Wi-Fi. A free self-service breakfast and laundry facilities are also available. Each compact, modern room at the Flexistay Norbury ApartHotel includes a digital TV, ironing facilities, and either a private or shared bathroom. Rooms also come with tea, coffee-making facilities. Guests share a dining area and fully equipped 24-hour kitchen. Flexistay provides all-day self-service breakfast in all ApartHotels. The domestic kitchen is open all day for guests, allowing you to cook your own meals at any time of the day. The kitchen is fully stocked with milk, juice, eggs, bread, bacon and cheese. Norbury Rail Station is a 3-minute walk away and offers access to London Victoria train station and central London attractions. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.